Hi, welcome to the Java Core Learning course by ChienVH project. And today is the day 4. I would like to talk about how to work with the while looping in the Java. Okay, so firstly, while looping is used to execute a block of statement continuously till the given condition is true. So I will show you in the demo for more information. Okay, cool. Let's get started now. I will open the Eclipse and we have a loop in Java package we already created in the previous video. So now I will create another class inside this package. Okay, so we have a loop testing Java, and now I will create a new class. Name it is while looping. While looping. Okay, so now I will create a static method main for it. Finish. Cool. So now here we have a package. Name it the loop in Java. And the while looping class in with the asset modifier is public, and we have a static main method here. Okay, cool. So now I will show you the demo for the while looping. Okay. Okay, here. So I will print out the hello customer plus I. Okay, here. So basically, we are setting the default value for I variable is 5, and we will use the while looping if the variable I is less than the 15. So we will display the message the hello customer and plus the I variable value. Okay, so now let's run it and see the result. Here. So here we have it run it is infinities looping. So now we have to stop it. Okay, we have to come back and update the code a little bit. uh, so here, so after we print out the message to the console, we have to increase the value of I variable. Okay, I plus plus mean we is when equal I equal I plus 1. Yeah, same the same. Okay. Yeah. So here you can see we have a hello customer 5, 4, 7, and 14. Okay, greater than or equal. Run it again. Yeah. Okay, good. So now here I will show you how the while looping with iterator in Java. Okay, let's see the demo. And the Java while loop is used a lot with iterator in Java. And okay, so let's see the demo now. I will use the collection and the iterator in Java to 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 collect the data, and after that we display it on the console screen. we have a list. Okay, so before using the list, we have to import the package which contain some the utility to which support for the listing. Import those. Mm, okay, and after that we will create the iterator. Okay. Yeah. So here you can see we have that running the application and it print out the hello customer from the 5 to 15, and after that we use Java while looping with iterator, and it will also print out the list of the animal and the list of the hello customer. Okay, so I hope this video will helpful for you, and after you finish this video you know how to use the while in the Java for looping. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye bye and see you later.